4 ways to dissolve kidney stones naturally. Drinking enough water is one of the most effective and simple strategies to avoid kidney stones. To flush stones out of the urinary system, health experts recommend consuming about 12 glasses of water every day. People who drink water throughout the day will keep hydrated and lower their chances of developing kidney stones. If you already have kidney stones, try these home remedies to help dissolve them fast. 1. Lemon juice, olive oil and water. According to proponents of this approach, mix 1/4 cup of olive oil with an equivalent amount of lemon juice as soon as symptoms appear. Drink this mixture straight, followed by a glass of water. Repeat again later in the afternoon. Drink plenty of water, as well as extra lemon juice if feasible, throughout the day. 2. Apple cider vinegar and water. Drinking 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar mixed with 6 to 8 ounces of water several times during the day, especially before meals, is recommended by proponents of this home cure. 3. Basil juice and water. 1 teaspoon of basil extract or pure juice per day may aid in the prevention and treatment of kidney stones. 4. Asparagus. Because of its modest diuretic action, steamed asparagus may aid in the removal of kidney stones. Consumption of celery, cucumber, and watermelon may also be beneficial to some patients. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button to get more videos like this one.